ItemLogic is the only enterprise-class assessment content management system designed specifically for the education sector. ItemLogic provides a one-stop shop to manage the complexity of assessment creation, curation, maintenance, and delivery all in one place. With ItemLogic, assessment content providers can bring innovative and engaging content to the K-12 market. Create rigorous content using a simple, intuitive authoring editor. Complex graphing items are simple to design using ItemLogic. Item authors can start by entering the stem, and then set the chart parameters. The key is defined next. Then, preview and test the item. You can also align the item to a learning standard and tag with metadata. ItemLogic supports authoring of more than 30 interactive item types that are compatible with API and QTI 2.2. In addition to creating items that include matching and graphing interactions, item authors can leverage intelligent equation building, number line plotting, and video and audio hosting when creating assessment items. Powerful connected workflows enable item authors to move content from concept to assessment effortlessly while fostering multi-level team collaboration. Item reviewers and review panels can view, comment on, and signal item approval with a simple thumbs up. With ItemLogic, all item assets are managed in one place. Libraries of passages, images, video, and audio are easily added to items and packaged for delivery. Insightful analytics let you evaluate product feedback and inform future product roadmaps. Accelerated content delivery that allows you to expedite content sharing while maintaining access control. Your partners can access licensed assessment content and metadata as soon as it is published. ItemLogic is helping the leading assessment publishers and content providers focus their valuable resources on content, not complexity. Are you interested in learning more about ItemLogic? Check out the resources on our website or contact us to speak with an ItemLogic specialist.